Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a Heron water fountain from a plastic bottle. In this video, we will show you step by step how to create a beautiful and unique water fountain using materials that you can easily find at home. First, gather all of your materials. You will need a plastic bottle, bottle caps and straws. Make the holes. You are going to need 2 holes. Then insert a straw in the hole. Next, use the hot glue gun to seal the straw. All connections should be airtight. Then prepare 2 bottle caps, and glue them to the base bottle as a support. The result will look like this. Measure the straws and cut it as shown in the video. Again, punch a hole in the second bottle. This will be the second part of the fountain. Mark and make holes on one side of the straw on the top of the bottle. Now insert the straw part on the bottom bottle to the top bottle. Next, use the hot glue gun to seal all connected parts. Make sure that the tubing is secure and that the water can flow through it easily. Then cut the third bottle for the top part of the fontaine. Remove the cap and make a hole in the middle of the bottle cap. Attach the cap to the second bottle, with the straw inserted into the cap hole. Then make a hole in the second bottle in a position right next to the cap. Then attach the top bottle to the cap that has been installed. Cut the last straw, and attach it to the hole next to the cap. Stick it using hot glue. Cut and adjust the position of the top of the straw so that the water flow just falls on the container. And here are the results. Finally, place your fountain in a suitable location and enjoy the sound of the flowing water. Fill the fountain with water from the top of the fountain. For a better visual effect, I recommend to use dye to have a colored water. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY and renewable energy videos. Happy building!